Hello everyone, guest designer Katie Reed here. Now then, today's little video is going to be something along the sides of beading and also accessories. Now I got this wonderful little bag from a charity shop. As you know, I do like to frequent the charity shops and have a look around. This little baby was, I think it was about £3, and on the catwalks, street style, all over Pinterest, you can see these type of bags. Now I love this bag. There's only one problem with it, and I'm going to hopefully fix this. So as you can see here, we've got a little bit of a situation going on around here. So I am going to get some monofilament and I'm going to fix this little situation up, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So if you want to see how to do it, and if you've got a bag that's like this that you need to fix, this is the way to do it. Well, my way anyway. It might not be the right way, but it's my way. If you want to see, keep on watching. Okay, so here is the bag in question. So you are going to obviously need your bag, and you're also going to need, we have got here some monofilament. Now this is what you get in your threading pack. So you will get in a basic threading pack your elastic, your beading thread and your monofilament, and this is what we are going to use is the monofilament. So this is what you would get in just your everyday threading pack. Perfect for stretchy bracelets, obviously the elastic, perfect for beading and just basically making necklaces, etc. And then this is going to be perfect. You can use this for crochet or anything like that, or as I am going to be doing here, fixing this bag. So let's get on with it and see what we can do. The first thing is to try and find the end. So we'll just take that, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but that is your monofilament. So I'm just going to take about 1 meter, no more, no less. It's always good just to have that little bit extra. Just move that out of the way. So as you can see, if I just move this out of the way, this is the offending bead right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually probably going to start just over on this last one. I'm going to thread that through, and this is going to be where we kind of have everything together. So I've literally just pulled that through to there, and there we go. As you can see, we've got, where are you? Come here. There you go. So that's now coming through this particular bead. And what I'm going to do is just literally follow the pattern through. So I'm going to bring that round to there, and then bring that round to there, just to bring that all the way around. All right, so just bring that all the way around to there, and all the way through here. So we're literally, I mean, we're not actually, we're just kind of creating a anchor point at the moment. So now we've got our anchor point there. I'm going to move up to this bead here, and then I'm literally, is it this bead? Where are we? Yeah, that's the spare. So if I just keep that out of the way, we're going to move up towards here, like so. Pop that through, and then what I'll do is I'm just going to follow that all the way around to this side. Oh, it's probably very tricky for you to see, but this is why we use monofilament, because then you can't see it when it's all finished. So I am now just going to keep going up until we get round to the offending bead. So I'll probably just speed everything up now. So we are now at the bead that we need to incorporate back into the weave. So I'm going to put my monofilament through there, We'll leave the thread where it is at the moment. Probably won't move it. And then we'll connect that back round to this one here. And then as you can see, you'll see it all pop back together, and then that's going to hold all of that back together. So now we're just going to go around there a few times just to secure it. Okay, so that is it all now finished. I have trimmed off just that little bit extra there, as you can see there, and then just tucked that up into the other bead. That is that handbag all fixed. So I literally just beaded around those 4 beads on about 3 or 4 times, and then I moved the monofilament just around this kind of area, and then came back up to there and cut it off. I did tie it where we met it right at the beginning, but then that is that bag all nicely fixed and ready to go. So that is how you can fix a vintage bag very easily with monofilament. I hope to see you soon. Bye.